Hi, welcome to the mathscenter.com. In today's video, we are going to look at a question that appeared in the specimen paper of the Statistics A-level maths exam, 9709, that's the subject code, paper 6. Yeah? So it's paper 6, Statistics, the A-level exam. And we're looking at the Cambridge A-level exams, of course, and the subject code is 9709, and this is /06 because this is from the specimen paper that you will find posted online. Okay, the full question and the solution will be provided as a link to this video, so please follow that in detail. I want to talk about the question and the solution and the general ideas. Okay. Before anything else, please share this video as much as you can. Give me a like, and please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. And for details of the courses that we provide online, visit the mathscenter.com. Okay, in this question, we have a problem dealing with hypothesis testing. So we have an inspector. Basically, we are dealing with the situation is we are dealing with bags of carrots. And they're telling us that mu is the mean weight of the bag of carrots. Yeah. So mu in kilogram, that's not important. So I mean the kilogram is not important, but the mu is important. Yeah. Okay. An inspector wishes to test if mu is 2.0, 2 kilogram. Yeah. An inspector wishes to test if mu is 2.0, where mu is the mean weight of a bag. Okay. Now that you know the story. He has taken a sample of 200 bags. Okay, he has taken a sample of 200 bags. So what's the first thing that should strike you? We are dealing with a large sample. Okay, we're dealing with a large sample. That's the first thing that should strike you. So you know, large sample, we are going to be dealing with the z-test, yeah, the normal distribution. Now, let's read on. From that sample of 200 bags, he has given us some data. Summation x is 430, and summation x squared is 1290. And you asked to carry out the test at the 10% significance level. So what are the things that we need? Okay, first off, hypothesis testing. Let's summarize what we need. Hypothesis test. What we need, do not forget your hypothesis first. Yeah. Okay. Hypothesis, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Don't forget that. The second step is to work out. In this case, we're dealing with a large sample, so we need a test statistic. So we have your Z calculated. That's the second step. And the third step, we need our Z critical. That is from, you're told to test at alpha equals to 0.1. Okay, so you can look up your tables and get a value for this. And then don't forget, you have to draw your conclusion. Okay, these are the general steps when we do hypothesis testing. Yeah, define your hypothesis, then you have to work out your test statistic, then you have to work out your, or rather look up your critical value, and then draw your conclusions. Finish. That's it. Yeah, very quick. So let's start here. H naught. Let me write it here. H naught mu equals to 2. He wants to test whether mu is 2.0. Therefore, H must be mu not equals to 2. Okay. He's testing whether it is 2, so it can be some other number. Okay. Now, sorry, H1, yeah? So H0 is mu equals to 2, H1 is mu not equal to 2. So we know we are dealing with a two-tailed test, yeah? Two-tailed test. And we know here alpha is 10%, okay? Therefore, let's go ahead and work out our, and we know that before that, yeah? You know n is 200, therefore we are dealing with a large sample. Therefore, we are dealing with a z-test, yeah? Normal distribution. So, two-tailed test. So, let's distribute the probabilities. Okay, this is 5%. This is 5%. So, look up your tables, your normal tables. You will get, let's see, 5% is about 95, so 1.645 and 1.645. So, these are your critical values of Z. Okay, so now we've sorted this part out. Let's now go ahead and Z calculated. Yeah. What is that calculated? We know that x bar mu over s over square root of n. Why did I use s? Because they didn't give us sigma. Yeah, they didn't give us the standard deviation. X bar we can work out. Will be summation of x over n. That will be 430 over 200. Is it? Yeah, 430. Yeah, that's right. 430 over 200, and you'll get 2.15. Mu you know is 2. N you know is 200. All we need is to work out the value of S. Yeah. So S, let's work out the unbiased estimate of the variance. Yeah. The unbiased estimate of the variance. 1 over n minus 1 summation x squared minus summation x whole thing squared over n. You know all the numbers here. Okay. N is 200, so it's 1 over 199. Summation x squared they gave us 1290. Summation x is 430. Plug all the numbers in, and you will get. Let me get it right here. I have worked it out. You will get 1.837. Okay, you'll get 1.837. So we are almost done. Yeah. So we're almost done. So is that calculated? That is our test statistic. Yeah, which will be x bar 2.15 minus 2 over the square s here will be the square root of s squared. So let's write it together. We have 1.837 divided by 200. Yeah. So when you work this out, you will get. I used my calculator a few minutes ago. You'll get 1.565. Okay. So now you have 1.565 here. You're going to compare it with your Z critical. It falls in. It does not fall. Yeah? It does not fall in the rejection area or rejection region. Therefore, let me write it here again, which is 1.565. Okay, so does not fall in the rejection region. Okay, does not fall in the rejection region. Therefore, do not reject H0. Yeah. So do not reject H0. Do not. Therefore, conclusion: no evidence. Okay, no evidence that mu is. Okay, there's no evidence that mu is not equals to 2. So do not reject H0. Okay, that's the end of the problem. So I did quite a bit of talking here, but remember the standard steps. Any hypothesis test in the world has the same steps. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like and share as much as you can. Follow me on Facebook and YouTube. That's it. Yeah, thank you very much.